Welcome to the video on the Suprajiv Ecosystem, focusing on strategic academic-industry collaboration. We aim to foster industrious faculty and industrious students through this partnership. This video will cover 10 main topics, including an overview of the Suprajiv ecosystem, associated organizations, core technology domains, and the advantages of collaboration. Let's start with an introduction to the Suprajiv ecosystem. The Suprajiv ecosystem functions on an academic-industry integration model, creating industry-ready learning environments. It emphasizes an emerging technology ecosystem, focusing on current and future technologies for skill relevance and enhanced employability. Next, we'll look at the associated organizations within the Suprajiv ecosystem. Our key partners include the Suprajiv Training Center, Additive Mechanical Services Pvt, and Chronic Foundation. These organizations are integral to our training, industry exposure, and overall ecosystem support. These are the addresses for the associated organizations within the Suprajiv ecosystem. We move on to explore our core technology domains in detail. Our focus areas include electric vehicle technology, robotics and automation, drone technology, and AI-assisted manufacturing. We also emphasize industrial IoT and renewable energy systems. Let's examine the reasons why institutions choose to associate with us. We offer benefits like industry-integrated learning, faculty upskilling, internship support, and research exposure. Furthermore, we enhance placement opportunities and provide access to advanced industrial infrastructure. Now, let's explore our flexible collaboration models and partnership approaches. Our partnership approaches include training at Suprajiv facilities and on-campus centers of excellence. We offer support for lab setup, funding guidance, scheduled training, and a shared ecosystem model without requiring heavy capital investment. This section highlights the specific advantages of the Suprajiv ecosystem. Our unique strengths include extended laboratory infrastructure, a research and innovation hub, support for applied manufacturing ecosystems, and industry exposure without major investment costs. Let's examine the strategic value our collaboration brings to institutions. The institutional enhancements include improving global employability, supporting NAAC-NBA industry alignment, and strengthening admissions and placements. We also create industry-ready graduates and enhance academic credibility. This collaboration aims to build future-ready institutions. Our vision for advancement is to help institutions adopt models that will make them benchmark institutions in academic and industry integration for the coming decade. We extend an invitation for collaboration to join our ecosystem. We encourage facility visits for leadership, faculty, and students to our Bengaluru facilities. We are committed to jointly developing globally competent, industry-ready professionals. This is a view of the industrial IoT lab setup. The equipment is ready at Additive Mechanical Services Pvt. Here is an example of robotic metal 3D printing equipment, also ready at Additive Mechanical Services Pvt. This image shows a hydraulic system laboratory. This infrastructure enhances practical learning and research opportunities. Here is a view of the Electric Vehicle and Battery Development Center. This facility supports training in essential EV technology. This scene highlights the drone setup at Additive Mechanical Services Pvt, providing hands-on experience in drone technology. Finally, we see the AI Integrated Service Robot at Additive Mechanical Services Pvt, representing our focus on advanced automation and AI. This is the Center for Robotics, Automation, and Artificial Intelligence at Additive Mechanical Services Pvt. This image presents the Two-Wheeler Learning Center at Chronic Foundation. Here is a view of the Electric Vehicle Training and Testing Center at Chronic Foundation. This image shows solar panel training held at Chronic Foundation. Here is a view of solar panel installation in the field, a practical activity at Chronic Foundation. This scene shows EV two-wheeler training also conducted at Chronic Foundation. The multi-brand EV two-wheeler service center offers diverse practical exposure for trainees. This image showcases the EV two-wheeler service center at Chronic Foundation. The multi-brand EV two-wheeler service center is a key facility in our ecosystem. This video's 10th point is the contact details for the Suprajiv ecosystem. You can reach out to TK Rajiv, contact person for Suprajiv Technical and Management Studies, via email or phone. Our motto is building industrious students for a global future. Thank you for watching this video on the Suprajiv ecosystem. We appreciate your interest in our initiatives and look forward to potential collaborations.